Holy cow! Take a close look at that image on your screen right now. I just received a payment of over $10,000. This is the exact payment I was notified of right after I turned on my phone after waking up. It was deposited directly into my bank account, so it's now free to spend. After making money for over 10 years, the thrill never gets old. So, how am I making this money? Well, it isn't about selling products online, making videos, cryptocurrency, writing, reading. Maybe some are making money with those methods, but when have you made money with those methods? There's a much better way. You see, my partner Sean uncovered an online glitch that lets us profit from Google's 2 billion users by reposting famous news stories from established sources like Fox News, CNN, Forbes, ABC News, and more. And each time we repost a story, we get paid $47 to $97 by this Google glitch. Oh, and don't worry, you don't have to do anything like writing, editing, SEO, or anything else that's complicated, because our brand new system, which we call Glitched, does that for you. Glitched is the world's first system to feature one-click reposting technology. It lets you repost top news stories at the press of a button. And each time we do this, we get paid $47 to $97. There are countless news stories on a daily basis, and you'll never run out of them. So we can do this dozens of times daily. For instance, if we repost 5 news stories, we'll make $235. If we repost 10, then we'll earn $470. And we'll make over $1,000 if we post 25 news stories. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. Click 1. Turn on Glitched to begin tapping into Google's 2 billion users. No SEO or ranking knowledge is required. Click 2. Republish. Each time we republish a news story, we get paid around $47 to $97. Zero writing or reading required. All it takes is just one click to repost a news story. And click 3, cash out. We can get paid via PayPal or directly to our bank accounts. There are no expenses, so everything we make is pure profit. With Glitched, the payments never stop coming in. Proof. And don't be fooled by the small size of these payments. They can easily snowball into $1,000 paydays for us. The more news stories we repost, the more we make. And there are zero headaches involved. No dealing with things like hosting, WordPress, domains, writing, formatting, paid traffic, or any else of that complicated nonsense. Glitched's one-click reposting technology does all that for you and gets us paid $47 to $97 every time we repost a news story. This is something that anybody could do, and that includes you. Now at this point, you might be wondering, how much will Glitched cost me? It's probably going to be expensive, right? Well, originally we planned on charging $497 per month for access to Glitched. That adds up to nearly $6,000 per year. And although that is expensive, you can't put a price tag on a system that pays us $47 to $97 every time we repost a news story. It's not even up for debate. Glitched quickly pays for itself. But we understand that $497 per month is a lot to ask for, and we know how hard you've worked this year. We know how much you want a system like Glitched. So here's the deal. If you act right now, you can get access to Glitched for just a one-time investment. It'll cost you around the same price as a cheap t-shirt. But it gets even better. If you get a copy of Glitched, you'll also get access to thousands of dollars worth of free bonuses. They'll help enhance your purchase and make more profits faster. The catch? To get this discount and the bonuses, you cannot delay. You must act right now. And if you come back later, you'll end up paying more. The price rises whenever a new member joins, so why wait and pay more? Remember, you're backed by our ironclad 365-day money-back guarantee. And to make this even more of a no-brainer, we'll send you $300 out of our pockets if you fail to make money with Glitched. Yep, that's how confident we are that you'll see results with Glitched. There's no way for you to lose here. Oh, and I nearly forgot. If you're one of the first 100 people to buy Glitched, you'll unlock access to a special bonus. We call it Glitched Unfair Advantage. We've found that with this add-on, our users end up doubling their profits. Because of that, we could easily charge $2,997 for access to this bonus. So, what are you waiting for? To get access to Glitched, along with all of the special bonuses, you must act now. Click the button below to take action. We'll see you inside.